Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve column internal question. Find the cube root of 12 using a fixed point iteration method. Correct up to 4 places of decimal point. Okay, so now let's solve the question. Let's x cube minus 12 is equal to 0 and fixed point iteration g of x is equal to f of x. Okay, so now we find the g of x values with the help of f of x. Okay, so in the case 1 we find the g of x. So x square into x minus 12 by x square. So this condition we solve, this equation we solve, we find the 1 by 3 into 2x plus 12 by x square. We put this equation is for equation number 1, and we start with the initial guess value x0 is equal to 2. And so this x0, this initial guess value, we put the equation, we put the condition iteration 1, x1 is equal to g of x0, and g of x0 value 1 by 3 2x plus 12 by x ka square. So this equation number 1, we put the value x0 is equal to 2. So here we write 1 by 3 2 into x0 plus 12 by x0 ka square. So we put the x0 is equal to 2, and the next step 1 by 3 into 2 plus 12 upon 2 square. So we solve this equation. So here we find the 1 by 3 4 plus 12 by 4, and again we solve this equation 1 by 3 4 plus 3, and here we find the x1 value 7 by 3. Okay, and we iterate the second iteration x2 is equal to g of x1. So g of x1, here we write g formula in g formula x1, and we put the value x1 is equal to 7 by 3. Okay, so in the second iteration we write g of x1 formula 1 by 3 to x1 plus 12 by x1 ka square. And so we solve this equation and put the x1 value 7 by 3. So here we see 1 by 3 into 2 into 7 by 3 plus 12 upon 7 by 3 ka square. So when we solve this equation, so we will find the x2 value 2.924, and again we iterate x3, g of x2 is equal to 1. We put the x2 value in g of x formula. So 1 by 3 to x2 plus 12 by x2 ka square. So here we put the x2 value 2.924. So here we write the condition equation 1 by 3 2 into 2.924 plus 12 upon 2.924 ka square. So we will solve this equation, and we find the x3 value is equal to 2.4171. Okay, so we check x2 and x3 value is equal when this x2 and x3 value is x2 x3 or any iteration value in any two iteration value are same. So we stop the iteration, and we find the root of the equation. Okay, so we check x2 and x3 value is not equal to. So we again iterate x4. So x4 is equal to g of x3. So we put the g of x3. So g formula, we put the x3 value and solve the equation. Okay, so 1 by 3 2 into g of x3 value 2.4171 plus 12 upon 2.4171 ka square. So when we solve this equation, so we will find 1. So we will have to 1 by 3 4.8324 plus 2.0539, and when we solve this equation, so we will find 2.2960, and we iterate, we check the x3 and x4 value are not same, so we again iterate x5 is equal to g of x4 1 by 3, and 2 into, we put the x4 value, 2.2960 plus 12 divided by 2.2960 का square. When we solve this equation, so we will find the x5 value 2.2894. so we check the x4 and x5 value are not same, so we again the iterate x6, so we iterate x6 is equal to g of x5. so g of x formula, we put the x5 value 1 by 3 into 2 into 2.2894 plus 12 upon 2.2894 का square. so we will find the value x6 is equal to 2.2894. so we check the x5 and x6 value. so x5 value is 2.2894 and x6 value 2.2894, so this value are same. Thus we find the root of the equation 2.2894. so this is the answer.